Hey guys, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel. So last week Mom participated in a closet clean out challenge and it really inspired me. So today, Daisy and I are going to be cleaning out my closet. I'm really excited. Are you excited too? So unfortunately, I like to keep a lot of my clothes. So my closet is a complete wreck. So you guys are really in for a treat. I really want to try to get rid of a lot of clothes. I tend to keep them around because I feel like I'm going to style it different. I don't know. I just keep it for some reason. So I'm really looking forward to this challenge and getting rid of a lot of my clothes. So sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So here's my closet before I started working on it. As you can see, I have a lot of clothes and shoes in this tiny closet. I have a lot of great organizational tools. It's just I jam-pack them with stuff. And here are some of my clothes drawers for my workout stuff, my pants, my pajamas, and t-shirts. All right, let's get this thing started. At first, I started just looking through my clothes to see what I wanted to get rid of. Every year at the beginning of the year, I flip all of my hangers backwards so I know what I've worn and what I haven't. This is a really good tip, especially for someone like me that doesn't like getting rid of clothes. It's an awareness thing so you can see, okay, well that's backwards, so obviously I haven't worn it in over a year. I then took every piece of clothing out to see what I had left. Then I was able to get rid of some of those as well. While everything was out, I went through all of my shoes. Why is it so hard to get rid of shoes? Comment below if I'm not the only one that has a hard time getting rid of shoes. I then went through all of my flip-flops and got rid of what I haven't used in a while and ones that were kind of messed up. Now I'm going through all of my workout stuff. Most of them are t-shirts from races that I have run in the past, so I just weeded out the ones that I don't really wear and was ready to part ways with. When I fold my shirts, I fold them in thirds and then thirds again. That way it makes it easy for me to see what's in my drawer, but also it keeps it nice and neat. And for my pants, I fold them in half and then half again, and then in thirds. And this keeps it the perfect height for my drawers. For my pants drawer, I decided to do things a little bit differently. I used to stack all of my jeans on top of each other, but this time I decided I was going to fold them in half and thirds just like I did with my workout pants. I did the same thing for the leggings, and it turned out awesome because now I can see all of my pants lined up in a row to see what I want to choose for the day. the same technique for all of my pajamas as well. Go Eagles! So for my t-shirts, I just started taking everything out and seeing what I wanted to keep and making piles. Then I just refolded everything and organized it back in the drawer. Here's the final product. Everything now is organized by season, so all of my winter stuff is in the back in hopes that winter is over, and then all of my summer and spring stuff is closer to the front. I think these drawers turned out awesome. I love how you can see everything. I hope this has helped you with a little motivation to do the same like my mom's did when I watched hers. I ended up with 1 bag of trash and 2 bags to donate. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you real soon.